Hello guys, today I wanted to always open make a unboxing video since I became a YouTuber. So I'm opening this giant kitsune. Let's see the bag, what we got here. Okay, so we got a coin bag. It's a coin bag actually, okay. Exclusive plush, a minifigure, and a mystery minifigure. And yeah, all those things. So let's open it. Oh my god, it's so cute. Let's make this bag. Alright, now we finally opened it. Let's see what's inside. I think here. Oh my. Okay. Let's start with some mini things, like this figure. So yeah, my brother got a kitsune and I got a diamond. Okay, this diamond is kinda cute. Let's open the second one. Let's use my scissors that we collected earlier. Okay, let's see what's inside. A DLC code, let's go. So guys, I'm gonna later open this in the video. Now we got a cute little kitsune. Where's my diamond at? So this is what we already collected. My brother. Okay, let's open this cute one. Oh my god, this is so cute. Well, my brother opened first the kitsune. And I opened this one. So let's place this here. And we got the last one here. Alright. My brother got this. Let me see to the camera. Oh my god, the cute little kitsune. Guys, I got a little kitsune. Wait, oh here. So you got kitsunes too. Something fell to the ground, okay. So yeah, this is all it's got in. We got a deluxe card. Let's see what we will get actually from it. Oh yeah, if you guys want more unboxing videos, just like. Alright, let's open this. Wait, other side, okay. So this is what you will get actually, wow. Here's my brother's thing. Yeah, it's literally cool. So yeah guys, I see you guys in the game. Guys, before I go, this is actually the kitsune post. We got a kitsune in the back. Now, let's open this DLC code. Okay, and we will going to show ourselves what we got. Okay, what will we get? Oh. Okay, come to me. We will trade our furs. Yeah. No, don't say it. We will show it. Here we go. What I got. Damn, bro, you got Phoenix. Pretty good, bro. Now, guys, I will end this video. And remember, stay there.